These are the 3 best-selling TWS on Amazon. Let's go ahead and check them, do the sound test, fit test and build quality and decide which is the best for you. Let's start with Boult. These are Z40 model. Company claims ultra low gaming latency, boom-x drivers, dual master Bluetooth and environmental noise cancellation. You'll get a USB-C cable and the earbud itself. And 2 pairs of extra tips. Next up is Realme Buds T110. So the company claims 88 millisecond super low latency, IPX5 water resistance and noise cancellation. Let's go ahead and unbox these. Unfortunately, Realme don't provide any cables to charge these. It's only the earbuds and 2 pairs of tips. So third TWS in our list is this Boult Airdopes 141. Boult claims it has a low latency as well, has its own noise cancellation, IPX4 splash and sweat resistance, Bluetooth 5.1 and quick response touch controls. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Packaging is much better than the other two. With this one we get TWS and a micro USB cable and 2 extra ear tips. So this is how they stack up with each other in terms of accessories and what comes in the box. Let's start with the Boult. Build quality is pretty decent. It has a brushed finish at the top, basic plastic at the bottom. You get a USB-C in the bottom and an indicator here. In terms of TWS itself, they look nice and decent. This has a more plasticky feel than I expected, but still they are of decent build quality. Putting them back to case and getting them out is not so convenient. Let's see how they stack up with other TWS in the comparison here. So this is the Realme case. This is a bit smaller than the Boult and has a nice click closure, but the plastic feels even more lower quality than the Boult. But this kind of a setup is easy to keep them and get them out to use. You have an indicator here, USB-C port at the bottom. In terms of earbuds itself, they are lightweight and fairly decent quality. So now let's check the Boult. This has a biggest of 3 out of 3. It has a battery levels here, which is not there in other two, and also you have an indicator on top of the earbuds itself. These also have a nice magnetic closure. So the earbud itself are bigger than the other two options. It has longer arm and they are a bit heavier than the other two. So this is how they stack up with each other. Let's go ahead and connect these to phone and check the sound quality and fit. We'll start with the Boult. To connect the earbud, you just have to open the case, remove one of the earbud. It will be available on as such. Now it is paired. So I am at 50% volume. Sound quality is quite decent. There is slightly distortion at the higher volume, but if you are at 50%, they're absolutely fine. These are actually not bass heavy. They have flat output. Overall, they have pretty average sound quality, I would say. Now let's go ahead and check the Realme. So once you have opened the earbud itself, we'll have the pop-up saying that whether you want to connect to the Realme Buds T10, which is quite nice. Connect. The device is connected. This actually works quite similar to more expensive Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and it is quite fast too. Let's go ahead and listen to the same song. Currently at 50% volume. These have definitely have more bass, but at higher volume, the volume get distorted quite a bit. But at 30%, they sound fine. Even though they have more characteristics, I think Boult have a better sound output throughout the volume range. Volume more than 50% is totally unusable. Let's go ahead and check the third one. So once you open the case, so it's immediately detected here, but there is no pop-up like Realme. Go ahead and connect it. I'll pair it. We'll start with 50%. We'll increase it to 90%. I think these have the best sound quality among three. They are balanced. They are not bass heavy. They properly maintain the treble and bass. Even at higher volume, even at 80%, the output is usable. Think out of three, these have the best sound quality. I would put these at the top, these at second place, and Realme at the third. They are really bad. So that is sound testing. In terms of ear fits, I would say Boult have the best fit among all these three. Next comes Airdrop 141 from Boult. Connectivity, I would give Realme top position. This is second and this is third. All three claims battery life from 35 to 45 hours. In my usage, I found that the Boult, it's not 45 hours as the company claims, but you will get around 20 hours of playtime with a charging in the case. Realme, you will get around 18 hours, and Boult will get around 16 to 17 hours with the case. Conclusion, among these three TWS, I would say Boult Airdrop 141 is the best. Second comes the Boult Z40, and Realme is definitely at the distant third. Let me know what you think. This is not a paid review. If you would like to buy one of these, use the link in the description below. Help the channel to grow. I have tried to review this objectively without bias as much as possible. Hope this helps to make your purchasing decision. If you haven't considered subscribing, please do so. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.